Pulling up to my fabulous storage. Stay tuned, y'all. So I told y'all I was gonna take y'all over to my storage. So we're over here at my storage. Please do not have a heart attack, peoples. This is my storage. This is my storage. Yes. And it is fabulous. You may not think that it's fabulous. Yeah. But we got some fabulous stuff in here. We got Barbie dolls. A whole lot of stuff. And this stuff that y'all see at the beginning of my storage right here. This is all my granddaughter Ariana's from the summer. All this stuff up here is all hers. Her trucks, Barbie stuff. It is all her stuff. These are our fabulous doll houses that we made this summer. I hate that my stuff has to be in here like this. It just gives me anxiety to look at all my stuff. So I know while over here, this next hour, trying to pull out what I'm looking for, I'm gonna have to go back home and lay down because I'm gonna be hurting. But I had to come over because I got to get in here. I'll be back. So I'm out of breath, but I can at least walk in right now. It's all my fabulous stuff. It's everything I done pulled out. I'm over here looking for my Christmas stuff. And I found it.